Hi guys, for today's video we're going to learn about estimation or estimating. So to estimate is to find an appropriate answer to a calculation. Okay, so remember in estimation we have to round a number, okay, to get its approximate value. So the result from the approximation is not the exact uh, result or answer. Okay, take note that an exact value is the true value of a calculation. So let's have an example for you to understand it perfectly. Okay, but before we proceed to that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot to grow and to become motivated. All right, so let's go and dive into the problem. So assume that you have uh, 58 minus 81. So we can round each number so that we can do the calculation mentally or using a sketch. So as you can see, these are the two-digit number. So we can round these numbers into the nearest 10. So we all know that 58 lies between, so it lies between 50 and 60. Yeah. So in a number line, if this is 60, this is your 50. Yeah. And 58 is closer to 60, so it's around here. So therefore, we can round 58 to 60. So we can write 60 here minus. And now look at 81. So 81 is between or lies between 80 and 90. It is between 80 and 90. So if you draw your number line just to make just to check it and make sure. So 8 is here and then 90 is here. So 81 is around here. Okay, so therefore we can round off 81 to the nearest 10, which is 80. So therefore, the approximate value of 58 minus 81 is negative 20. Okay, that is the estimate value. But if you want to get the exact answer from that, so 58 minus 81, that is equal to negative 23. Let's have another example. So let's say you have negative 289 minus 324. So as you can see here, you have three-digit numbers. So we can round these numbers into the nearest hundred. So negative 289 lies between negative 300 and negative 200. So we can, if we can draw the number line, so negative 200 is here and negative 300 is here. So negative 289 is around here, negative 289. So therefore, we can round negative 289 to the nearest negative 300. While negative 324, okay, again, if you're going to draw your number line, so is between negative 300 and negative 400, where negative 324 is around here. So it's just an approximate 324, right? So 324 is closer to negative 300. So we can say that negative 300. So when we add two negative numbers, we add the number and then just copy the sign, remember? So we have negative 600. So this is the approximate value of negative 289 minus 324. But if you're going to get the exact value of that is negative 289 minus 324 is equal to negative 613. Let's have another example. So for the third example, so if you have 518 times negative 42. So again, you have 3 digits here and you have 2 digits here. So let's take the 518 first. So 518 lies between 500 and 600, right? So you're going to draw the number line, so like that. So that will be 518 is around here. So we can round up to the nearest 500. So this one is rounded to nearest 500 times, so negative 42, so is lies between, so if you're going to draw your number line, so negative 40 here and negative 50 here, so negative 42 is around in here, negative 42. All right, so we can round up this number to the nearest 40. Okay, so multiply by negative 40. And based on our previous topic, when we multiply positive and negative number, you always get negative. Okay, so 5 times 4 is 20, and then just add 3 0. 1, 2, 3. So the estimate value of 518 times negative 42 is negative 20,000. Okay? That's the power of estimation. We can just approximate, okay, the value of the two numbers or given numbers. While if you are looking for the exact answer, so 518 times negative 42, that is 518 times negative 42, that is equal to negative 21,756. Okay. Now for the last example, let's have the division. So let's say you have, or we have 208 divided by negative 11. So again, let's take the first number, which is 3 digit. So that 3 digit number lies between, we're going to draw your number line, it's between 200 and 300. Okay. So of course, halfway is 250. So 208 is around here. Yeah, so it's closer to 200, right? So we can write 200 divided by, and then again, this is the 2 digit number. You draw your number line. So negative 10 here and negative 20 here. Why did I choose this number? Because negative 11 is between negative 10 and negative 20. And negative 11 is around here. Okay, so we can round up negative 11 to negative 10, divided by negative 10. So in here, we just, since this is division, we can just simply cut 1 0. So 20 divided by negative 1 is negative 20. And that is the approximate value of 208 divided by negative 11. All right, so that's all for today. See you next lesson. Bye.